So here you are. I have ordered these beautiful pair of shoes from RCS Accessories, and I'm going to be giving the link of their Instagram handle in the description box below. And these are beautiful, amazing shoes that I ordered from their page, and I've also ordered a lot of things before that as well, and the quality is so much amazing. They have dresses for adults, for kids, shoes, accessories, a lot of things. So do visit their Instagram page. Here you can see the amazing details of these shoes, this beautiful brooch, and the remaining details, and it is as it is the way I ordered, the way I saw it in the pictures. It's same to same, and the quality is so amazing. They are so easy and comfortable. Look at the design, it's so amazing and different. And it's available in different heel sizes, 5 inches and 7 inches, and also the shoe size, a lot of varieties available. And apart from this article, they have so many other amazing options available, and they import their products. So when you place an order, you have to pay half the amount, and half of the amount is paid when you receive your order. And order is delivered between 3 to 6 weeks, because as soon as they receive your order, they order it, and it is imported. So definitely it takes time, but it's worth the wait.